Hey everybody, Caleb O'Hara, the Red Shoe Realtor, coming to you with this week's Deal of the Week. And it's in a 55 plus active adult community, Woodbridge Del Webb in Manteca, in my opinion, the finest 55 plus community in the area. So wanted to give you a little tour of it so you can check it out. Fantastic spot, super quiet neighborhood. Just to give you a little idea of what you see in the front yard as you look out the front. And then we go through the security door, we enter into the home. You'll notice the beautiful wainscoting in the entryway, as well as the crown molding around the top. Just to our right is a flex space that can be used as an office, a library, a sitting area, a reading room. Some people have even, I've seen in this floor plan, wall this off, turn it into an optional third bedroom. Doesn't technically a third bedroom because it doesn't have a closet, but they'll put in a wardrobe or something like that, which is definitely doable. Very open floor plan. Look, as we come inside, to the left is one of the bedrooms. We'll take a look at that in a minute, but you've got this beautiful open flowing floor plan here. So this one features stainless steel appliances, white cabinets, gorgeous white cabinets, granite countertops. Comes with the fridge and the washer and the dryer. You'll notice you got a gas stove top over here, beautiful hood up on the top. This nice island. One of the super cool features I just want to show you is pull-out drawers. Super nice having the pull-out drawers. And then also, check it out, you got the lazy Susan in there. I don't know why Susan gets accused of being lazy. It just doesn't seem fair. But anyway, let's move around here. Oh, over here you've got a nice pantry as well. And then let's go back this way. Here is the laundry room, washer and dryer hookups. Takes you into the garage. Nice, spacious two-car garage. All the fellas out there, of course, you always want to see it, so we got to show it to you. We make our way this way. Here's our guest bathroom, or our secondary bathroom. It's got a tub with a shower over top. Nice little linen closet here as well. Then you make your way into here. This is our second bedroom with the closet. Now we'll make our way back down the hallway here, around the corner. Here's your dining space right here in the middle. It automatically transitions us over into our living space here. Very spacious, lots of potential here with different things that you can do with it. We'll take a look at the backyard last. So let's go down the hallway here. We come into the primary master bedroom here. Very nice, very spacious. Double doors going into the master bathroom. Double sinks, more white cabinets. Hey everybody. The toilet room, ta-da. Decent sized closet as well. You can see there's space here behind the door. And then you'll notice the zero clearance entryway shower. So there's no lip or anything to get inside of the shower. Makes it super convenient. Already has the seat shelf area here as well. Just a fantastic floor plan. Perfect for an active adult looking for a place to coast into their finer years of life. It's got lots of great amenities. The Del Webb community out here, the HOA fees are $180 a month. Includes an indoor-outdoor pool, a gym, a walking track, lots of parks, activities happening constantly at the clubhouse. You get a lot for that HOA fee. It's not just being used for who knows what, but you actually can see what you're getting. Notice the landscaping here. Nice, low maintenance landscaping. Decent sized side yard as well. Coming around this way, put a nice bird bath or a fountain there, little table even. And then it's also paved all the way down to the end as well. Oh, and don't miss the covered patio in the back as well. So it's a fantastic home. It's, again, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths with the den. It's a great deal. If you have any questions whatsoever, reach out to me. You can always call or text me, 209-923-1550. Shoot me an email, respond to wherever you're seeing this video, and I'll get you all the information and we can schedule you a private showing as well. Caleb O'Hara, the Red Shoe Realtor with the core team at Real. This week's Deal of the Week.